In today's video, I'm going to share a mind-blowing idea to create Instagram Reels using Runaway Aurora filter. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, open Instagram story and select any filter. Click on the drop-down arrow and select Browse Effects. Type Run in the search bar and select Runaway Aurora from Reynald Fedley. Save it to camera. Go back to your story. Now you can see the filter appearing in the story menu. Select Reels and the Runaway Aurora filter from Effects. Now go to the terrace or any open place and shoot the video. So here's the final output. And if you don't know how to create Instagram Reels using Google Earth, you can watch this.